Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Simple's investment tracking features in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step is going to be to log into your Simple account. So go on to Simple's website, and then you can log into your account using your email address and your password. Next, you're going to click on Invest. So go ahead and click on the Invest button that's in the top navigation bar. Next, you're going to view your investment portfolio. So once you've clicked on the investment button, you can go ahead and view your investment portfolio, including your investment accounts as well as your holdings. So Simple's investment tracking features allows you to see all of your investments, in one place, and that helps you to track your investment performance and stay on top of your investment goals. So Simple's investment tracking features allows you to track your investment performance over time, and then you can see how you're doing against your investment goals. Once that's done, you can also adjust your investment portfolios as needed, just to stay on track of things. And if you find that your investments are not performing as well as you'd like, you can always just adjust your investment portfolios to reflect that change, and you can always also adjust your budget to reflect that as well. That's pretty much it on how to use Simple's investment tracking features in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys